Of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Honorable judges, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Honorable judges, this is the topic that has been chosen keeping in mind the call of time and circumstances. God's messenger is enough for the Siddiq. Honorable judges, Yar Ghayr Rasool, temperamental Rasool. Every aspect of life of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is seen to be full of Ishq Rasool sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu's style of love and friendship with Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was even before beginning of the chain of revelation. Respected judges, Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu acceptance of the slavery of Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam for the first time immediately after the proclamation of prophethood shows that God's messenger is enough for the Siddiq. The bite of snake in the cave of Thor, but the life of Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, not moving the body for the sake of universe, is giving the message that God's messenger is enough for the Siddiq. In the difficult hour of migration, Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, bringing the whole house to a service of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is telling the message that God's messenger is enough for the Siddiq. As Ali Waqqar, by addressing all the companions and saying, "Wama Muhammadun illa Rasul," it is telling the message that God's messenger is enough for the Siddiq. Whether it is war of peace, the darkness of night or the light of morning, the loss of mercy in the winds of misery, and suffering the battle of Tabuk and the battle of Badr, the night of migration or the conquest of Makkah, at every turn this figure in his masters. He is sure every turn on Aqamullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He is sending this message to the rest of the world. God's messenger is enough for the city.